All right, today for lunch is going to be Eggplant Parmigiano Heroes, and I'm going to bread and then fry the eggplants first, and then make heroes out of them instead of making like a eggplant parmesan in a casserole dish or a loaf pan or with spaghetti or something like that. We're just going to have heroes for lunch. All I'm going to do is cut this and then set up the stuff to egg wash and start frying them. So this little end piece, that'll go. And I'm going to cut them, about a quarter of an inch, 5/16, something like that. Not too thick, not too thin. This is a really nice eggplant, actually. It's not punky, and it's not overly seedy. All right, that's that. Just dropped on a plate of eggplants. And then let me set up for the egg wash, and then we'll start frying them. All right, so what I got here is flour, just all-purpose flour, seasoned breadcrumbs or Italian breadcrumbs, egg wash, and now some olive oil. So in the flour just helps the eggs stick better. In the egg wash, into the breadcrumbs, and then into the pan. Now you just stand here and do this. All right, and there is our mess of eggplants. Fried, battered, and fried. And they're beauties. I just ate one. They're good. So now, clean up and then construct the sandwiches. And then I got some good French bread. So let me do this first. I'm just going to put some raw sauce on here. And that Cento brand that I like. right, here's the first layer. That's the little sauce. Eggplant on the bread now. A little more sauce. All right, now let me cut some mozzarella. Turn on the broiler. Whole milk mozzarella. That's the mozzarella. Now Parmesan. All right, and there's that before they go into the broiler. And you definitely got to keep your eye on that. That'll burn quickly. All right. Those are done. And I could, oh, they smell good. Oh, look at that. Now that's a Eggplant Parmigiano Hero. That's a beauty. It's going to be a mess. It's going to be hard to fold. But boy, those are nice. There it is, folded over. And there it is. Boy, that's a nice sandwich. Okay, before I bring it to the table and me and my buddy eat, let's give this thing a shot. Got a clean towel. It's not missing anything. That's a great sandwich. Really good. Eggplant Parmesan, Pizzeria style. Excellent. I'm going to go eat.